Introductory exercises to help you with pronunciation of the letter R. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share it with somebody. Subscribe if you want to see more, but do press the black bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you again. First of all, we need to loosen up our tongues. To do this, we need to do some exercises. First exercise, tongue massage. We stick out the tongue and gently bite the tongue, tip and sides. Exercise 2. Place your tongue up vertically. Then you need to move the tongue up and down. Try not to move the chin. It's not easy. Exercise 3. Please keep your tongue up and repeat at a fast pace. La la la. Please don't move your chin. It's not easy. Exercise 4. The next exercise is to try to put your tongue on the teeth. Exercise 5. Place your tongue between your teeth and munch like a little horse. That was fun. Exercise 6. Now we need to pronounce the D holding the tongue up, but not against the teeth. G, 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 g. Look carefully at the normal D and the D that we hold the tongue on the palate. First slowly and precisely, then faster and faster. Normally, D, 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 G, 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 Now we add syllables, keeping our tongue up. Da, 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 de, de, da, da, do, do. Exercise 8. Make a tube with your tongue. That was easy. Exercise 9. Now please do multiple and quick pronunciations of sounds, keeping your tongue up. When practicing, do not move your chin. Practice for about 2 weeks, then look for a second video. Good luck. Please let me know how you are getting on. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.